Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today's video is a thrift haul. Please excuse my voice. I am getting over being sick and I had completely lost my voice. It is back enough for me to share these things with you, and I did want to share two things in particular because I'm really excited about them. I'll go ahead and start with the little things just to get them out of the way. This thrift haul does add a few little things to my collections, such as this whiteware piece. I do collect these. They don't have to be ironstone, but I like these whiteware pieces. I don't even know if you can see it. This I picked up for about 99 cents. If you've been on my channel at all, you know that I have an obsession with plated silver, and I was fortunate enough to pick this little guy up. I think he was only a couple dollars. I'll have to check and I'll put the price. So my plan for this is not to use it to drink out of, but as a flower vase. And for Christmas, I want to get some real pine cuttings and put some pine in there and some berries, and that'll be a really cute centerpiece. I'm not sure what this piece is intended to be, but I am using it as an umbrella stand. This time of year we get a real mix of rain and snow, so this goes right by my front door and has umbrellas in it. This is my newest piece of ironstone. I don't remember the price of this either, so I'll list it on the screen. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this as a cookie jar or as a centerpiece with some pine coming out of this also, or what I'm going to do with this. Give me some suggestions. What do you think I should do with this? How should I use it as decor? Obviously, there's always a place where I can just use it to stash things, but I also picked these sorts of things up at the Restore. I'm not going to show you all of them. These are just light switch covers. They range in price from 20 cents to $1, and I got a bunch of them. Depending on what color the sticker was, depends on how much I got off. So these 25-cent ones were 50% off because they had the pink sticker. So I don't even know how much I paid. It was less than $5 and I got a lot of them. So I'm gonna have fun going through my house and switching out the switch plate covers. The next thing I picked up were these adorable carolers, and I'm just going to put a picture on the screen now so you can see a close-up of how cute they are. I picked these up at my local Goodwill. They were just on a display shelf, and I asked one of the associates to get them down for me. They were $5 a piece, which is good because my per piece threshold is like $5. And so I was able to pick up all four, and I absolutely love them. I think they're gorgeous. The last thing I wanted to share with you, I can't actually hold it up and show you. It is a Kohler sink. It's white porcelain, and I picked it up at the Habitat for Humanity Restore for $45. So I'm going to have that as part of my kitchen makeover that I'll be sharing after the new year. I'm really excited about my new sink, and I'm going to get a new faucet and everything. So do keep an eye open for updates of my home makeover videos that I'm planning for the coming year. That's all I have for you in this very short thrift haul. I hope you have a lovely holiday season. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of new video uploads. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.